Hello students, my name is Mahummad and I am a math tutor. I have an experience of 8 years of teaching mathematics. I have a strong passion for teaching mathematics and helping students to understand difficult concept. I believe that mathematics is not just about memorizing formulas. It is about developing problem-solving skills, understand difficult concept, and building confidence. In my class, I focus on clear explanation, step-by-step solution, and practical examples, so that a student learn mathematics easily and effectively. I can help you with topics such as algebra, uh, uh, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, and other problems of mathematics. My teaching style is very friendly and student focused, and I always encourage the student to ask some question because every student have an opportunity to learn something new. My goal is to make mathematics interesting and joyful for you and help you to achieve better result in your studies. I am excited to be your tutor and look forward to learning and growing together. Thank you.